It's ELLE KOS Glam. So glad that you can come back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for my home fall tour. This is my first one. We just moved into this home and I'm trying to make it as cozy as possible. Fall is one of my favorite times of year. And here I will share my new wrought iron settee that I bought from Amazon. I'll link everything down below if you need to know where I got everything from. These cute pumpkins was from Michael's and they are glitter. They're glam just like me. And I have a bouquet of false flowers from Michael's. It has a rustic bag around them. Here's a welcome mat from TJ Maxx and whole bouquet of mums. They're being shy right now. They open during the day and close at night. I love them. And I also have a nearly natural wreath here that has eucalyptus leaves. It looks so real. You cannot tell that it is not real, and I really love it. I didn't want to add anything to it because I wanted to keep that rustic glam feel in the front of my house, and I wanted to feel very welcome. Here is my new lantern. It's very large. It's about 3 feet and it's really big. I added candle lights to it that are red and you will see them in a minute. It's also wrought iron. It has a brass antique finish on it and I really love the raindrops. Look, this on the windows. It's electric, and if you don't have anybody handy like I have my husband handy, you may need an electrician to come in to put it in for you. Here's the glow at night. It's very romantic and magical with candlelight bulbs. I added those myself. Here's my cute welcome sign from Target, and I had to have it. It was so cute. I didn't want to stick it in the ground because I didn't want it to get dirty, but it has a rustic glam feel as well. Let's go in my home. So here's my place setting for the fall. I went very simple because it's just me and my husband and Snowball. So I did a place setting for 4 instead of 6 because it's going to be a real quiet Thanksgiving this year, and I just wanted to have something very cozy. I have Mercury candle holders, and here's my wreath, and it has a burlap bow on it with burlap ties at the end, and I made the burlap bow myself. This is also from the same line that I had the wreath on the door from, Nearly Natural, and it looks very real. There is a ocean picture right there on my wall, and I'm never taking that down. I don't care which season it is, but I also keep transitional pieces up, and I don't really like a lot of color when I'm decorating. I like to keep my colors very neutral, and I have pops of color outside my home. I also like to use Michael's faux plants as well. They look real, but they're not, and I like to add them to my decor. Here's my dining room. I Bless This Home pumpkin. I really love white pumpkins, and I love stems on pumpkins that look real. And I also have a Thankful pumpkin with a glitter stem on it, so I thought it was the star of my show. My placemats are from Michael's, and the table runner is also from Michael's. I have a gold and white pumpkin that's from TJ Maxx. It has a cute little bow on it, and it gives it a rustic feel. And the cake holder is from Bed Bath & Beyond. These cute Mercury candle holders are from TJ Maxx. Those candles inside are cinnamon and pumpkin. I picked up pumpkin soup bowls. I think I picked these up from Super Target down the street from my home, and the china is ordered. It was a gift. I wanted to give a rustic glam neutral color to my table that was not overwhelmed, a cohesive look, and I hope you really enjoyed it. No home is complete without candy corn. I love candy corn because it's a throwback. It reminds me of my childhood, and it just reminds me of my family. Here I have some dishes that's sent from my godmother in Connecticut. She's my mother's godmother. She sent me those dishes, and I just paired it up with the orange flower for autumn. I love little vignettes on my table for fall. Here is one with a hurricane from Bed Bath & Beyond with the owl candle holder and leaves is burning on the inside. I also have these two antique jars from Michael's that I picked up. I thought it'd make my kitchen look a little cozy, along with this Lazy Susan. I placed a candle with some faux flowers and a cloche with lemons and lime in it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye guys.